Okay, hi. Now we are at Public Bank. We buy some bread, and we want to have a breakfast first before we are going to Gunung Ledang Waterfall. Now, this is the group members. This is Tay. Hi. Hi. This is Hazim. Hi. Mirror. Theo, and at the back is our photographer. Where is it? Yes, this is our photographer. Okay, let's go eat it. Yes.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
Welcome guys, now we are at the toll or at the highway. We are heading to Batu Pahat, not Air Hitam. From Air Hitam to Gunung Ledang. Gunung Ledang, we will exit toll Tangka. Yes. Okay, this is our friends. There are another cars there at the back. Okay, bye.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like
RNR Bago for our breakfast. Let's go.
Going to get our breakfast first. Oh, my stomach is full. It's not full red yet, so let's go for breakfast.
Okay, bye. Okay, we are here. We exit the toll Angka. Okay, we are heading to Ledang Waterfall. Let's go. At the Gunung Ledang. They are the main entrance of the Gunung Ledang. So this is our friends. Hi. Yeah, hi. We brings our food. We buy from the RNR, and let's enjoy.
Okay, today we came to Gunung Ledang. Okay, this Gunung Ledang located between Muar and Melaka is standing at 1,276 meter, and then here got resort at there, and then up there got waterfall. For here we can make our mind become very relaxed, and then we can go there to have a fish catching, and then make a bath or playing with the water or doing something.
Now we are heading to Kolam Putri, which is the main spot for you to swim and to catch the fish with this net. And we can wait for enjoy the memories for the sun hot bro. Okay, bye. You can see the view of the waterfall. Now, before we enter, we have to read all these warning before we go into the waterfall. Okay, this is the warning. So we have to take a good care. We should not be too happy. We should be prepared on what conditions that we have to face. To climb the mountain, and this challenge I want to challenge Fahmi as our member to get a fat to fit challenge. So let's do this.
Okay guys, this is me, Fahmi. I will accept my friend's challenge. So, fighting! Okay guys, ini last test. I will try to do it. Go! Come on! Do test, and we will reach there. Woo! What are you doing, Tazan?
I'm just looking for the
view that was just amazing. Oh no.
Let's go to the kolam putih. Let's go to the kolam putih. Ayo.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words
Hey guys,
to
this
speak,
is for me.
but if you
We had a few meals for our brunch. So this is 3 packs of fried rice, kway teow, and fried noodles. Fried. So this is a few of our snacks that we bought from the arena because today the stores doesn't open. So that's our luck because we buy first. So enjoy after break your calorie. Whoa!
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to.
There's many trash here, so we want to clean it. So
we want to do this challenge to clean out the beach because one of our citizen measure is take care the location, the street location. Okay, now we can start.
hashtag no trash challenge.
Okay, this is the final of the vacation of Sunhawk Group. Bye.
Can you blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you blow my whistle, baby, here we